Hi, this message goes out to Mrs. Jones. Hi, Mrs. Jones. This is Justin Nimergood. I'm the Director of Learning Enablement at Alpha, and I'm just getting back to your voicemail regarding your student's decision to not move forward with the computer programming workshop, and you and your husband's desire for them to. We certainly appreciate your concern and active involvement in your students' learning and development. However, just as a refresher, our workshop alignment and decision process really focuses on empowering the students to make those decisions on their own. What we found is that they become more personally accountable for those decisions, and in their learning and discovery success, which are some of the main life skills that we hope to teach them through their time with us at Alpha. In doing so, this actually helps fuel our three promises to you and your child. Obviously, that students will love school, that they'll learn 2 times faster, and that they'll learn life skills through the process. So, should you want further information on our current workshop availability, don't hesitate to let us know, Ms. Jones. Again, we look forward to continuing to enrich your child with world-class learning in the coming months and hopefully years ahead.